I'm standing in this beautiful garden that's had an amazing transformation journey. Welcome to your outdoor home by Brickworks. My clients wanted to transform the space behind me to its former glory, which was an entertaining space to enjoy with family and friends. They wanted to be functional and practical. Let me take you through the way we transform this space to what it is now, using Brickworks building products. As you can see, we've taken the space which was lost in the overgrown garden of time and reimagined the entire area, which is now a beautiful courtyard. The room back here was completely disconnected from the outside and has been transformed. We removed the old fence, the overgrown foliage and the old red bricks, and we freshened it all up with a paint job. It now has an openness and clear visual connection to the outdoor space. The existing ramp didn't flow into our lower courtyard at all, so we extended it to allow access. We used a small format paver because it's easy to get the roll on the ramp with that, as opposed to a large format paver. Every outdoor entertaining area needs a casual place to sit, and how good does this space look? We have this beautiful timber cantilevered hardwood seat that's tied into the retaining wall and the concrete footing behind. Now there used to be old sandstone and a garden bed here, and we ripped all that out and we replaced it with this beautiful arena stone dry stacked retaining wall. This timber is silver top ash and it's 40 by 30 mil, and over time the sun is going to weather it and it's going to turn a beautiful silver colour. To create a central focus and gathering point, we designed an outdoor kitchen and bar area. The simplicity in this structure provides the weight needed to draw the eye to the kitchen zone. It's the perfect place to hang out and cook when you're not seated. Where before there was an ageing strelitz here, now there is a raised garden bed feature. We've used arena stone to create both of the raised garden beds, and we've used a charcoal colour to help the structures recede and settle into the space. The previous paved area had served this family well, but it was showing its age, and the darker colours made the space feel damp and small. We have used a large format engineered stone paver in a travertine colour, and this will help lighten the south side of this house. And with minimal lines and a grout colour that matches the paver, it feels clean and expansive. We also use the small format pavers to provide texture and to tie the lower area to the ramp and patio off the room. To really frame the space, we removed much of the old vegetation and cut back the established bamboo thicket to install these stunning breeze blocks. They create visual impact and they hug the space without enclosing it. These have a contemporary classic edge that provides some real drama to the entire space. It's so comforting to know that just one supplier, Brickworks, can provide everything that you'll ever need for any landscape, or, like we've created here, your outdoor home.